Hey, this is Bill and Susan, still on Oahu and enjoying all the terrific food. We're having a snack at the Inari Factory in Don Quixote's Kaheka Street location. Bring your appetite and join us on What I Ate.
How much is one? $3.99? How big it is. Wow.
But the question is, would you eat it again?
Of course. Oh, good question. Did you?
Yeah, I ate twice of it, please.
I got the salmon poke, which is just seasoned with some shoyu, onion, and some sesame seeds. And the same thing for the ahi tuna variant. Susan is eating lightly because we're going for a dinner with some friends tonight. So she just wolfed down the salmon poke version. So I'm just taking my time now and enjoying this. The fried tofu skin coating wrapper is in a slight, lightly sweetened sauce. The rice is seasoned. It's like a sushi rice, and the poke is delicious. I mean, it's a nice little snack in a small bundle. There's a good amount of fish. I'm just kind of picking at it piece by piece so that it's manageable. Otherwise, I'm gonna spill it all over the place. I don't know how they do it, but what I like about this is the rice, the whole thing is cool. It's very well chilled, but the kind of rice they're using, or the way they've prepared it, the rice isn't turning hard. You have a tendency when rice is chilled that the starch is crystallized, and then it becomes kind of hard and crunchy. This makes it very palatable. It's a perfect picnic snack or something to throw in the car if you're driving and you have a cooler, and you can just put this stuff together and eat it when you're on the road or when you get to a place, or just order a punch or a party platter and bring it to a potluck or a party.